Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how to add contacts into your Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add contact into your Trust Wallet, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet application. And after opening the Trust Wallet application, you will be prompted to this home page. Just simply tap to the gear option into the top left corner. Now, after tapping into that option, you will get to see this address book option right here. Tap to address book and then you will get the option of add contact. Tap to add contact and then you can just simply enter the name of the person or any of your contact and then tap to check button. And after that, tap to add address and just simply select the address or paste the address into here. Just simply paste the address into here and tap to done button. And after that, tap to check button into the top right corner and your contact will successfully be added. This way, you can very easily add a contact into your Trust Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.